Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet headband with this type of uh, pattern. Okay, this one is super easy for beginners. Okay, let's start. Okay, start with 13 chain. You can, if you want the size to be smaller, now this is the size, isn't it? This size, if you want smaller, you can reduce the chains. Okay, now I'm going to skip 2 chains. I'm going to make 1 half double crochet in each chain. Okay, so we are going to repeat 2 chain and 1 half double crochet in each stitch, so till the required length. I'm going to make 50 rows because I measure the head. I'm using the head size, so I'm going to make 50 rows of this half double crochet. Once I complete 50 rows, I'll show you how it turns out. Okay, like this. We are going to repeat doing 1 half double crochet in each stitch. Okay, I already completed 50 rows. So now I'm going to join this to the first part here. I'm going to join it together. You can join it any ways. There are so many ways of joining the stitches. Okay, okay, already joined. Cut off the yarn, then later use needle to make it height behind here. So you are going to turn it this way. Now this is the middle part, so I'm going to make for this one. Okay, in the magic ring I'm going to make 3 chain, then I'm going to make 4 double crochet, so we will have 5 double crochet. Okay, then 3 chain, turn. For next row I'm going to make 1, I'm going to increase here, so 3, including this chain. 2, 5, 6, 2 double crochet in each. So this one not compulsory that what I'm doing you need to follow. You can increase or reduce. You just have to bring a shape here. Okay, now I'm going to make 1 double crochet in each stitches. This yarn is very soft, 100% soft. So we will have this kind of another 3 chain. Then I'm going to make here 2 double crochet, then 1 double crochet. I'm going to make 2 double crochet in this first and in the end. Okay, 3 chain. I'm going to reduce, say 2 together. I'm going to make 2 together, decrease 2 together. This is just an idea for making this. Two together. I'm making decrease. Okay. You will have like a petal shape. So reduce 2 together. If you have balance only one, either you can just make one also can. Now I'm going to make these 3 together. So we got the shape, you see, like a leaf or like petal shape. So cut off the yarn. You repeat this another side. Okay, now we are going to repeat this. The other side. 3 chain. Okay, 4 double crochet. Pull this tight. Okay, now we are going to repeat this part. How we did, we were going to repeat. Okay, I'm going to fix this over here. It's in the middle. You can see from here, this is in the middle. Okay, now to fix this, I'm going to make 4 chain. Then I'm going to make another 3 chain equal to 1 double crochet. Now I'm going to make 1 double crochet in each chain. We are going to skip these 3 and make 1 double crochet. Okay, we are going to continue doing turn, continue with 1 double crochet in each stitch. Okay, I did this long, so I'm going to now join this part with this part. Okay, okay, cut off the yarn. So hide the tail. Okay, completed. See, look at this, so pretty. Okay, I hope you like the video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and give a try also. Thank you for watching. Thank you.